and both it together.
Hey guys, good morning. Look at Nathan. Nathan want to do tap. Say hello.
Hello.
So guys, good morning and welcome back again to another vlog. Ignore my hair, guys. I don't know how I packed my hair this morning. Nathan is going to his first let me talk first. Our boss is coming. Nathan is going to his first judo lesson. So that's where we are going. Our boss is coming. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, we are out of the bus. So Nathan is going to start at 11. It's almost 11 now. It's just to 11. So we are right on time. Nathan is going to do judo for the first time. Meanwhile, Harmony started gymnastics too.
Gymnastics before. It's not today that
No, Harmony started last week. So she's also going to go today. So every Wednesday she go for gymnastic class now.
I'm so excited. Take me to Australia.
You're welcome. She's so excited. That's her wish coming true. She always wanted to be flexible, this girl.
But they say we have to start when we are 4 years old.
So this is her wish coming true.
4 years old, so I can start. 4 years old.
Yeah, she did not start early though. Supposed to start early.
When I was 7 years old.
Yeah. Supposed to start early, but it's okay. It's not a problem.
I almost not to do gymnastics and I'm almost flexible. Mom, what is name?
Wow, look at these flowers. They are beautiful.
Mom, what is
Spring has sprung. Take a look at that. They're so cute. Beautiful. Wow, look at these yellow ones. So guys, yeah, this place just bring back memory when Harmony was a baby, when she was little, because she started crash when she was 1 year old. So that's a crash. That's a crash. Wow, wow, wow.
It looks like a castle.
Yeah, it's so beautiful, and they have big park. You can see there are children there playing.
Yeah.
They have a big field that they used to play. This is where we are going. It's just close to Harmony's former crash. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So this is Nathan's uniform. He's going to change now.
Mommy, but we are...
Look at Nathan. Turn your back up. This is a video. But you have not even started yet. You are showing yourself. Harmony say cuckoo. Harmony is at the park. We are waiting for Nathan to finish his judo. As we are done at the park, we want to go and pick Nathan. It's to 12 now. They close at 12 o'clock. So it's just 1 hour.
Mommy.
How was your judo? It was fun?
Yeah. I did the game of TV.
He's excited. There's one game he liked to do at home. They also did that today, so he's super excited. Like his dream came true. Nathan's dream came true. Harmony, say hello. Harmony cannot wait to go to sports, but our own is later in the day at 4 p.m. And this bus is noisy. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, we are in ALDI for the first time. Yeah, I've not really been to ALDI. This is the first time, guys. I heard things are very affordable. Yeah, that's why I'm here. Let's see for ourselves. Nutella, $4.99. What did I tell you? Hey guys, we just finished from Hashan. I went to pick some snacks for the kids. I also picked some at ALDI. Like they say that ALDI, I think it's Professor Life that commented that ALDI is a affordable shop, but I did not really see anything cheap. Maybe it's because it's a small shop though. Maybe if I go to the big one, it's more affordable there. Hello, Mama. So guys, we are going home. My money is going to go to our sports by 4. So I want to go and relax in this season.
Years later.
Guys, we are hot now. It's time for Harmony Sports.
Mommy,
yes.
I have this
We have this share, the little ones.
This one.
Okay. So guys, we just finished dropping our money. We are going home to relax so that we can come back.
And me, we watch my tablet.
I want to go and watch tablet. We'll come back in 1. They are going to stay there for 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah. So we are going home. Man, my Wednesday have become so busy, guys. It's become so busy.
It's gonna be alright. How can you tell? I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be okay. The sun is shining bright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna, You're gonna find your way. It's gonna, It's very hard to let things.
Hello guys, good day. Today is the next day. I started this vlog yesterday. Man, welcome back guys. I'm taking down my braids. Man, I didn't know crochet is this hard to take out, because this is my first time of actually crocheting. Is that even the right word? It's my first time of doing crochet and it's a struggle. And I'm almost done though. I still have this one to go. I'm just chilling with this Ruth Kadiri movie, Fond of You. It's very interesting. I like the storyline though. I think I'm going to retouch this hair. The hair is overdue. Guys, I just picked up Amazon order just now from the outside. They did not even come in that they were coming, because I already ordered the costume for Nathan. This costume, because they are going to do carnival on the 7th of April. So my boy wants a Spider-Man costume. So I've gone to all shop. I did not find any costume, so we decided to order on Amazon. So the thing just came today, which I'm super excited about. They even normally they said tomorrow, 31st. I'm glad it came today. So let's unbox it together. Ding, ding, ding. Wow, they will put the thing in anger. Wow, so cute. My boy's costume is here. Okay. Let me try and be gentle. Take a look at that. I hope it's not too big for him. 5 to 6 years, yeah. I hope it's not too big, but it don't look big though. It came with a mask. Oh, I love it already. I love it. And have this this foam here that make it look like they are grabbed, like they are the real Superman. This is so cute. Wow, Nathan is going to be super excited when he comes back from school. Wow, I love it. I think we got this for 30 euros. Let me just say 31 euros on Amazon. I'm still on my hair. Let me try and finish the hair because I will soon go and pick the kids from school.
2,000 years later.
Freedom! This is freedom, guys. I'm done. But I'm not taking this cornrow out. I think I'll do that tomorrow. I have to call my friend first to know when she's going to be chanced because I want to take down the cornrow, retouch the hair, and make it a circle. My hair. I'm going to wash it and just keep it. The good thing about crochet is that you can use it multiple times. So guys, let's take the trash out. Oh, bin. This is where we put our daddy. So guys, all these are for recycling. Yeah. This one is the general bin. Meanwhile, the kids are there playing. They are playing. So guys, I just finished making puff and fried fish. This is going to be our dinner. Meanwhile, I've eaten rice though. So this is the kids' dinner. Just put the remaining one in the fridge.